In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can actually add a link to your Instagram stories. Even if you don't have the 10,000 followers, I think all you need is to have either a professional or creator account, which you can switch to quite easily. So this account I'm using here doesn't have 10,000 followers, but I'm able to add a link to my stories pretty easily. So the way it works is we go to the plus symbol at the top here, and we're going to add a story. I'm going to just pop an image in the background, but you can always photograph yourself. I'm just going to sort of pop this image in here, which is actually just a link to a website. And all I'm going to do up the top is add a sticker. And you'll see there's actually on this page toward the bottom, there's link. But if you can't find it, go up top and type in link, and there's a link sticker. You may or may not have this, but if you do, that means you can use it. And if not, I mean, you might just have to check back another time. But we click the link sticker. I'm going to paste my web address in there. Click done. Now, I've actually been able to add custom text to these links in other apps, but I can't record in this one, and this one doesn't want me to. But yeah, you can now add in your text, such as and then you actually have your link. It's probably even good to pop an arrow in there or something just to point to it. And now we're basically ready to post our story. So all I do is hit next. I'm going to post it as my story. I click done. So now if I actually click on my story, if I click this link emblem here, it says visit link, and I can head off to that website. So that's how simple it works. Now you may or may not be able to use this, but it means you don't have to have 10,000 followers necessarily in order to access it. So it's definitely worth checking out. Otherwise, yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want more videos like this, please consider giving it a video a like and subscribing for more. Otherwise, I hope to see you again soon. Have a great day.